At Infosys, we have always believed learning is the bedrock of everything that we do. Right from the time I joined, we believe that continuous learning, continuous education is what will make me relevant for the market. I truly believe that we are living in a time of transformational opportunities for everyone. If you look at the market today, there are many disrupting forces that are impacting the talent and what the talent needs are for the company. Emerging technologies, new delivery models, changing talent demographics, and geopolitical challenges, these are some of the forces that are disrupting the talent needs. At Infosys, we always had many learning platforms, different kind of learning engagements, but a couple of years back, we looked into what should be done to scale up our learning, because reskilling was identified as one of the strategic pillars for the companies, and it was important for us to come up with a platform or build a platform which can scale to the needs of the entire company. And then we went and did a design thinking exercise to see what does really an employee want, what does really a learner really seek. And that really led us to very interesting observations. In fact, it was a 2-week activity that we concluded with different focus group sessions, including employees, managers, leaders, and including some of our clients. And what came out was the platform, the learning platform that we wanted to build for the future, we felt that it has to be built on 4 important tenets. What we realized was today's learners do not seek just learning content or learning sessions or training programs, they really seek experience. And that actually is an important thing that we need to keep in mind when we develop a platform for learning. There are many learning management systems in the world, in the industry, but truly a learning experience platform is something that we aspire to build for ourselves. So all of this led us to develop our next gen talent transformation platform, what we call as LEX within Infosys. It was built on 4 important tenets, as I said before. First principle is making it convenient, which means anytime, anywhere, any device learning. It's not just learning when you have network, even without network, how do we make sure that the platform is available for employees to learn? So that was the first principle of making it convenient. The second principle was how do we make it relevant, which means how do we make sure that employees get real life, best in class, curated content which is personalized to them, including safe practice environment, so that when they learn, they feel so much more confident that it is relevant for them and it is actually what makes them perfect in their the production life. And the third principle is very important. It is about making it fun and engaged, and this brings in elements of gamification, contests, educator engagement, even on digital channels, where even though sometimes the digital channels means that you are all by yourselves learning alone, how do we bring the power of social learning as well as the power of synchronous or asynchronous way of engaging with educators so that they learn it in a much more fun and engaged manner. In fact, most of the gaming platforms today allow multiple gamers across geographies to kind of connect with each other and learn, and this principle is all about bringing that in the sphere of learning. And when we talk to our employees, something that came out very important was how does the learning help them to basically progress in their professional journey. And that is where the fourth principle came into play, which is what we call it as making it matter to the employees. And in this principle led us to make sure that the learning platform is very tightly integrated to the HR systems. It helps employees progress in their professional journey because they are learning all the relevant things that is needed by the company, and it thereby helps them to kind of progress in their personal and professional journey. So these are the 4 principles that we looked into, and I'm really happy to say that our LEX platform has been widely and warmly embraced by the employees. We have over 205,000 employees using LEX today, and close to 10,000 plus people log into the platform every day, learning for an average time of 35 minutes, learning all the important things that is important for them as well as for the company.